So, good morning everyone, and welcome to another Soul Drives video. You're joining me today on the Sustenpass, which is pretty special for me because I have seen this pass in so many videos. I've looked it up quite a few times and never got around to drive here. Now, since my holiday is around the corner, and I talked to a local friend, and he told me that after my holiday the pass will probably be closed. I had no time to lose and asked a friend of mine, Noel. He's here with his beautiful 997.2. Yeah, we just went out and did a very spontaneous drive. We took off at 2 a.m. this morning. We had quite a lot of rain and not the best conditions to drive these two cars in, but we had no time to lose. We decided to go for the drive anyway. We're gonna take it a little bit easy, but still have some fun today, and I'm just so excited to drive this road and also to later on hop into the 997.2 and maybe give some thoughts about the car and what I think of it. We're obviously gonna take you guys along with us, and hope you enjoy today's drive. So now, empty roads, the weather has cleared up, and time to drive. I'm so excited. I mean, just look at it. It's insane. I think I've never driven such a beautiful road, and there's a waterfall on the side. This just looks like not real. Just not real. And tunnel. Wow, look at that view. First gear. Top of the mountain pass. I have to say the 997 sounds amazing as well. I mean, that's a base Carrera, 3.6 liter, flat six, naturally aspirated, manual gearbox. That car is pretty sweet too. The sound against these stone walls. That was the speed limit, but honestly, on these tight and twitchy roads, 80 kph feels pretty fast actually. I'm just pointlessly shifting up and down. 718. Honestly, this just feels like playing Forza in real life. I mean, just look at it. Small tunnel. Oh. The 997 has something special in its sound. It's somewhat a little bit high pitched. Sounds different than the 981 GTS. Sounds kind of exotic. Those turns, they are amazing. Honestly, that looks like a painting. That looks like it's not real. That was pretty much perfect. The perfect drive. Also, nobody in front of us. We had the road completely to ourselves, almost. Does any one of you guys have a nice apartment out for rent for me? I want to live here. I want to have this close by. I mean, I love the Black Forest, don't get me wrong, that's a nice place, but if I could have this in front of my door, 100 times yes. Okay, now switching cars. 997.2 manual gearbox, naturally aspirated, flat 6. I'm ready. The engine is super torquey. I mean, it's a 3.6 liter. The GTS is a 3.4, but yeah. You notice a lot more torque down low, letting in more sound. Trying to flip the throttle while downshifting, it's a harsh ride. It's harder than the GTS. Steering feels a little lighter, but I feel more information through the steering wheel. Take it easy in the beginning, but this is so much fun. Down into second and second. Always nice to hear the GTS from behind.
it down low. On these roads you can pretty much keep it in third gear all the time. Okay, sound check 997. Okay, I mean, it's not as loud as the GTS, but it does sound nice. And the GTS is actually my first PDK Porsche. My two other Porsches before that, the 718 2.0 and the 981S that I had, both were manual. And I have to say, I kind of miss that. There's just something about roaring your own gears. Again, that view is just insane. The GTS is just so obnoxiously loud. I don't know if that comes through on this microphone. Some really loud bangs on the GTS. Holy shit. I need to get the hang of heel and toe downshifting in this car, it's hard. That was a pretty nice one.
So, I walked a little bit up the mountain and that is my view. Just absolutely insane. I have to say, doesn't matter where you point your camera at on the Sustenpass, it's pretty much always the perfect picture. Yeah. I had so much fun filming today. I had so much fun driving the 997, driving my GTS, and yeah, I hope you guys liked the video, because I would love to do something like that more often in the future. Thanks again, Noel, for letting me drive your beautiful 997. The car looks absolutely timeless. I think the 997, especially the 997.2, will just be good forever. Let's not get too much into details. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for all the kind comments on all the previous videos. And today on the Sustenpass, something really cool happened. I met my first subscriber in person. Yeah, someone drove along and said hi to me, and he told me that he likes my video and that he watched pretty much every single one of them, and that he's also looking for a 981. And I told him, go get one, because those cars are just so much fun. And yeah, just wanted to quickly share that with you, because it was definitely a nice moment for me to meet my first subscriber in person. Yeah, but enough for today. I'm gonna end today's video here. I hope to see you guys in the next video, and yeah, take care, have a great day, and bye bye.